What's up, everybody? It's me again, your boy RJ. Today, spark plugs. Kawasaki fh451v 15 horsepower. This is also good on the newer Kawasaki, same spark plug, 15 horsepower, but it goes from like the 13 to probably the 21, have the same spark plug. Alright, there's an X-Mark Turf Tracer HP 36-inch. These engines are on all kinds of machines, even some homeowner mowers, Ferris, Skag, John Deere, everybody. So what we're doing today, I'm gonna pull this bad boy. This is a 5/8 spark plug. I'm gonna see if my tool will do it just to get in there, because it'll do it if it can, and then I just do a little work. Okay, this is a still tool, if you didn't know. For one second. So, okay, we're back on. So this is a 5/8 socket. You can use a regular long 5/8, it'll work, or a spark plug socket that is 5/8. There are different sizes. There are 3/4. I'm sorry, I'm saying this is 5/8. Is that what I said the whole time? 3/4. There is a 5/8. This is the 3/4. This is the bigger, fatter ones. The 5/8 are on smaller handheld equipment, some other mowers. I don't know, once in a while a car will have it. These are usually, the 3/4 are usually on your car, but sometimes they are the 5/8. Alright, so look at that bad boy. It's not really that bad, it's just covered a little, but that's also because I had it on choke just to pull it a few feet forward, but it's old. This is an NGK BPM R6A. We're replacing it with a NGK BPM R6A. This is an NGKR. Is this an NGKR? Yeah, okay. Yeah, they didn't come with that usually. You'll have like an Autolite or something maybe. I don't know, probably Champion. I don't remember what came in them. I go NGK, they're a little better. You can go Autolite, you can go Bosch.
I had to cross-reference this one too. 6726.
So, to find out what it was? So this isn't the right number?
No, it is. It's a 6726.
Oh, guys, pause it.
Okay.
Okay, so since it's a mower, the actual spark plug is a BPM R6A NGKR. But the cross-reference number is 6726. If you ask for the BPM R6A at an auto parts store, like AutoZone Advance, they won't even be able to find it. And if they do, they'll sell it to you for like 12 or 13 bucks. That number, 6726, is their part if it goes on a car or somewhere or something. And then it's, is it $299? $299. Or buy it as the BPM R6A and pay. Even on Amazon, I think they're asking like $6. But it's $299 if you buy it as a car spark plug, 6726. And they're like, oh, it's a different spark plug, but it's equal. No, it's the same spark plug. It's the same. So they're just trying to get you. Some of you will watch my videos for that because I have the cross-reference crossed over. You may not have an NGK on here. You might have Autolite or something. I don't remember. I think they came with Champions. I don't remember. I like NGK. They're a little better grade spark plug. So, you're not going to notice any difference in my startup, so I'm not even going to bother doing it because I didn't let you hear it before, and it wasn't really running bad, but you just want to do it every so often. That's that one. The other side's a little more difficult. You're up by the muffler. Come around. Why you got all this mess? I know, I do. My life. It's a mess sometimes.
I can't.
If I had $1 million, I'd have a huge garage with lifts, and I wouldn't even be doing this. I'd have an employee.
Oh, yeah.
Millions of employees doing all the cleaning every day. Spit shining my machines, and they would look like showroom quality. So that's for all you guys that are going to bash about my machines having like dirt on their tires, because you guys do every day. Like, why is there dirt on your tire? You don't wash that every time it touches the outside? It's a piece of machinery that should look like you've never used it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. A lot of men are no longer men. And they don't realize that machines get dirty. And you can't have spick and span everything. Now it's a tight fit, so what you gotta do is pop this off after you get it loose. So you want one that has the button on the back, not the where you have to force it out, or you're gonna have trouble. By the button on the back, I mean like this. My Cobalt tools have a quick release that just go bloop.
But you kept putting it closer and closer.
Can you not see it? Here. See the button on the back of my Cobalt? Other brands have it. It's quick release. when he pushes the socket off the wrench. Okay. Ooh, that bad boy was pretty gross.
Oh, but still.
He was a little dirty. That stuff was in there, some of it. Well, maybe not. It's an angle. It might have got on it from the side of the head. It's tight fit. Trying to get in there. Let's see if this will work better. It will not help at all. It just pulled it off. Alright, so hand tighten as much as you can. I'm not even in the threads. There I am. Same trip?
No.
Alright, so that's on. And tight. Hopefully this guy can reach in there and tighten the last. You're going to do hand tight. And he cannot. This has to go back in. As far as I can get it. Get that guy in there.
Your shirt's on inside out.
It's okay. Told everybody I'm an idiot. They don't care. They know. The work shirt, it don't matter. You don't want to go too much. I don't even know. I wasn't even on. There you go. You want it tight, but you don't want to go crazy, okay? So just nice snug and then stop. Grab the boot. Put it back on. This is a good time to do your oil change if you haven't. I just did the oil change like 2 weeks ago on this. Clean your air filter. Mine could probably use it. Yeah, good. So take your air filter off, get your air compressor going, blow it out with a little pen valve. It's really not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it's bad. So what I do is I get the pen on my air compressor and I blow into all that air. Usually it's all on this side. See, it's pretty clogged. I think I'm actually going to start it up. I wasn't going to. I think I'm going to start up and clean it. I need to do it away from there because I don't get it back in there. That's it. Try out these spark plugs. Switch it up. If you already have something else, these ones work. They work great. We're done. There you go. Got dabbing for you. Alright, that's it. I don't know. Have some questions? Ask me. It's not much to it. Change spark plugs. Give it a tune-up. Clean out your air filter. That's it. As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day.